Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am feeling really humbled right now. We are close to 100 subscribers. Thank you so much to those of you who have checked out my YouTube channel and subscribed on the videos. And as a way to give back, I am having a giveaway for all of incredible people as a way to say thank you for your support and love. Watch the video till the end to know the rules to participate in the giveaway. Today, in this video, I will tell you the story of The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. The story sets in a Garhwal village of Himachal Pradesh and revolves around a little girl, Binya. She belongs to a poor family and lives with her brother Biju and their mother. The story starts with Binya returning with her cattle from the fields, witnessing some Japanese tourists from the city enjoying a picnic in the valley. She is attracted to their activities and especially smitten by a blue umbrella. Seeing her innocent fascination with the umbrella, they decide to interact with Binya. She has a leopard claw pendant around her neck, and the tourists decide to barter the pendant for the umbrella. Binya carries the umbrella home. She is so fond of its beauty that she rarely closes it and keeps it with her all the time. The beauty of the blue umbrella soon becomes every villager's favorite conversation topic. Everyone wants to hold it, and Binya obliges with their request. On the flip side, the beautiful umbrella also becomes an obsession for a few people like Ram Bharosa, a small grocery shop owner. He covers the umbrella and tries to buy it from Binya to no avail. It causes a little heartburn to Ram Bharosa, but Binya's decision is final. Soon the monsoon arrives and the rains bring the village school to a close. Ram Bharosa employs a young boy named Ram Rajan in his shop. Trying to impress his employer, Ram Rajan tries to steal the umbrella while Binya goes to collect porcupines from the forest. However, he is caught by Biju, her brother, and fearing the worst, he takes Ram Bharosa's name, and due to his well-known obsession with the umbrella, everybody believes the lie. The whole village stops visiting his shop and he falls into great misery. Seeing the plight of Ram Bharosa, Binya feels sympathy for him and decides to donate the umbrella to him. In return, he presents Binya a bear claw pendant which she considers even luckier than her leopard claw pendant. My final verdict for the story is even the story is short and simple, but it gives valued lessons about human goodness and kindness. Binya is an example of innocence and compassion and stand out as a great role model for children and adults alike. The Blue Umbrella tells tales of extraordinary heroism by ordinary people of Garhwal Hills. It highlights that a simple story told in an earnest style can create a grand emotional effect on the readers. I end this review here by giving this book a 4.5 star. If you want to read this book, then the link is given down below. But if you have already read this book, then comment me down below that what you thought about this book. Now it's the time to reveal the rules of the giveaway. The giveaway is really simple. You just need to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Insta. The link are given down below. I will be giving away 5 books and the giveaway will end in the next week, with the winners being notified shortly after that. And at last, if you want to see more of this content, then it might be a good idea to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you are the first to be notified when there are new videos released.